All right. What's going on, friends, fam, degens, ladies and gents, DCAers, hodlers, traders, everybody across the crypto space? Welcome once again to the TA Tuesdays with Tordess and Crypto Paradise. Every week where we come and bring you the best tips, tricks, tools, and strategies. That wasn't a T. Techniques. There we go. That's what we wanted. All the T's around trading every week, trying to help make you a better trader so you can put your skills to work on the Tordess platform, where you can get funded up to $100,000 that you can trade with. That's other people's money, and it's legal. And you get to keep 90% of the profits. It's one heck of a deal. It's called prop trading, and Tordess is pioneering prop trading in the crypto space. Dut, the founder, is here with us today. Dut, how you doing, man? Welcome to another weekly TA Tuesdays. How you been?
Hi Nathan, it's good to be here. It's another amazing week in crypto, and I'm always longing for Tuesday to be online with you guys here, speaking on TA Tuesday, presenting Tordess as one of the leading crypto prop firm in the space.
Absolutely,
By the
man. And
way,
it's
are
been
we
a...
live yet?
What's that?
Are we live yet?
We are
I don't
live.
think we see.
Absolutely. Yep. We are
Nice.
live. I mean, we should be.
We are.
Yep. Also with us, our resident trader, Mr. Roche. Roche is coming off one heck of a weekend. He had ultra marathon, mountain marathon.
Yeah.
I mean, what was like 50 Ks?
Ultra man. Yeah, 50K man. Rough
Man.
weekend.
Talk
Yes.
about persistence and playing the long game, which is one of the things we've talked about quite a bit on TA Tuesdays, is having that
Yes.
long-term mindset, not getting greedy, not trying to get rich quick scheme. That's commitment right there. 50K through the mountains, nonetheless. This isn't just 50K flat. You were up in the northern part of Vietnam doing that. So, congrats
Yeah, it
on
was a sub.
getting that finish, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you. It's good to be back. It's
Absolutely.
very good.
Well, it has
Yes.
been another interesting week in the markets, and it's been an interesting week for Tordess. That I understand he got some updates for all of us around the Tordess platform, some new potential partnerships, launchpad announcements, IDO stuff, some updates on TGE. Let us know what's the latest and greatest with Tordess.
Sure. I think before going that, I also want to share that I used to run 21 kilometers half marathon back in 2015, and I believe that training on those like long run marathon will help you to improve the mentality. And I was a trader myself before building Torres, and I know that being persistent, keep good mentality is probably the key part of this game. As you probably heard this before in the previous live stream, Tortoise is actually the misspelling of tortoise, which is a turtle, and that's what we're looking for in traders. Probably you shouldn't be a hare, a rabbit who win quick once in a while, but then you can get wrecked very quickly. It will be better to be a turtle in this market. Be very consistent. You may not earn big every day, but then in the long run, you stay in the marathon, you stay in the race, and you will get to the goal line. And back to the update from Tordis, if you are users on our platform, go to tordis.com, you will see that a lot of things have been improving over the past couple of months. We have introduced Tordis version 2 in October this year. And you will see that we have a new UX UI, new branding with very smooth trading experience right now. If you are users on any such central exchange, you will see that using Tordis is as similar as user friendly as using a centralized exchange right now. And as for token launch plan, we are working day and night towards that. We have been working with a number of groups, communities to close our seed round. So if you're watching this and you are interested in our seed round, please do get in touch because it's filling up quickly. We have a launchpad plan with Fjord Foundry and potentially downmakers sometime in end of January 2025. And let's stay tuned. We will have further updates on that. Um, Everyone is talking about our season really soon, and we believe that we have seen that as well. XRP is now the third largest crypto in terms of market cap, and our season is coming after this major altcoin. Then we comes a time for smaller altcoin, and it is the best time to launch stories. So if you're watching this, enjoy us about. Yeah.
Yeah, the markets play such a big factor in what's up, buddy.
Yeah.
Markets play such a big factor in the pre-sale game as well. And the pre-sale season really just hasn't kicked off yet. You're right. We kind of see these cycles coming and going.
Say goodbye, everyone.
You know, from Bitcoin pumping into the major alts, into the next lower alts, and then pre-sale season kind of runs in a tandem with that. I think a big sentiment push, or not necessarily a sentiment push, but a big factor that will contribute to kind of creating the proper environment for projects to start launching again will be when the new administration takes office. You know, we kind of talked about this a bit last week, when things go from conjecture and talk to actual law, and people getting put in administrative positions. That's when investors, funds, etc., are going to feel comfortable starting to push that money back into the markets, and that's when I really think we'll see a return of the pre-sale markets that have been, kind of the driving force for retail to want to get into these markets the last couple of years. That's where they can get those 10, 20, 100 X's. Previously in the markets. Now we see a little bit of that with memes. Memes have stole all the retail attention, but hopefully that attention and liquidity shifts and flows back into pre-sales and early stage alts like Tordess here very soon. But yeah, you guys have been doing a great job, lining up some great partners, got some great investors on board. I know we are super stoked to help you guys get launched here, and for that to happen, early next year. So other than that, just like with trading, patience is the key.